Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into something that's a total game changer for sales pros, especially if you're not a tech wizard. We're talking about using generative AI as your new partner. And look, this isn't about replacing that human connection. It's about making it even stronger. We're going to get right into the practical stuff you can use today.
Oh, and before we really get going, I just want to be super clear that all the great info we're covering today comes directly from Chapter 4 of a fantastic tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. It's all focused specifically on these kinds of non-technical sales applications.
So here's what we've got on tap. First, we'll get into the right mindset for working with AI. Then we'll get our hands dirty with crafting killer emails, absolutely acing your meeting prep, and prospecting smarter, not just harder. And to wrap it all up, we'll talk about how you can actually practice and build these skills.
Okay, let's jump right into part one. This is so important because it's all about the foundation. The whole point here is not to automate your relationships, right? It's to give you superpowers to build even better ones.
You know, the absolute best way to think about AI is like your personal writing partner. It's going to give you a really solid first draft, a great place to start. But then you come in. That's the human part. You sprinkle in those personal touches, the little details you know about the relationship, and of course, your own unique voice. That's what makes it real. And this quote just nails it. The big idea is that AI takes care of the boring, repetitive stuff. This frees up your time, sure, but way more importantly, it frees up your mental energy. So now you can focus on the things that actually matter, the empathy, the strategy, the real human connection that only you can bring to the table.
All right, before we go one step further, we have to talk about a critical rule: security first. You can never feed sensitive, private information into an AI prompt. I'm talking no real customer names, no specifics about a deal, definitely no pricing. Use placeholders instead, like a prospect in the manufacturing industry. Seriously, this protects your customer, your company, and you.
Okay, let's get into our first tool and see how this actually works. We all know email can be a massive time suck, but when you have AI as your partner, it can actually become one of the most efficient and powerful parts of your day.
I mean, just think about all the different types of emails you write every day. That first cold outreach, the super important follow-up after a demo, trying to re-engage someone who's gone quiet, or sending out a proposal. AI can give you a well-structured, professional starting point for literally every single one.
Now this is where the magic really happens. Look at how structured this prompt is. Instead of just saying, "Write me a sales email," you're giving the AI a role, a super specific task, some key context, and, this is crucial, a goal for the tone. This is the secret sauce to getting back a fantastic first draft that you can tweak in seconds and hit send.
Next up, meeting prep. You know, walking into a meeting fully prepared is one of the biggest signs of respect and professionalism you can show. And guess what? AI can be your secret weapon to make sure you are always on your A game.
Let's talk discovery calls. The goal here isn't to pitch, it's to listen and understand. A great discovery call is all about asking those really thoughtful, open-ended questions. Well, you can use AI to generate a whole list of them to help you uncover what your prospect really needs and what they care about.
And this is just brilliant. It shows you all the key areas you need to dig into. AI can help you write specific questions for every single one of these categories, so you're covering everything from their current headaches to who actually makes the decisions. Your prep goes from being a chore to a real strategic advantage.
And hey, it's not just about questions. You can also ask AI to whip up a clear, professional agenda for your meeting. Sending that over beforehand, it just screams that you're organized, you respect their time, and you're planning a productive conversation.
So let's talk about prospecting. It's always been this tricky balancing act, right? You've got to reach a lot of people, but we all know that generic copy-paste messages just end up in the trash. So here's how AI helps you personalize, but at scale.
Just look at this comparison of two really common outreach channels. Each one has its own rules, its own vibe. For LinkedIn, you've got to be short, sweet, and super personal. For a voicemail, it has to be quick but still compelling. AI is amazing at crafting messages that are perfectly tuned to the specific rules and etiquette of whatever platform you're using.
And that goes for other situations too. You know how asking a happy customer for a referral can sometimes feel a little awkward? Or how you need to follow up after a conference really quickly? AI can help you draft messages for these moments that are both effective and, not weird.
All right, you have the tools in your toolkit. Now it's time to actually build that muscle memory. Let's talk about how you can put all of this into practice so it becomes second nature.
A really great place to start is to design your own multi-step outreach sequence. And notice the flow here. It's not just 4 random pings. Each step builds on the last one. You start with an email, then a LinkedIn request. Then you follow up with something helpful that isn't a sales pitch. AI can help you write the perfect message for each of those coordinated steps.
And beyond that, you can practice by creating a full-blown discovery guide just for your product. Or, what about generating really thoughtful, empathetic responses to the top 5 objections you always hear? Then, and this is the most important part, role-play with your team. Actually use these AI-generated materials in a live setting to build that real-world confidence.
So, let's just end with this thought. We've seen how AI is this incredible tool for taking care of all the routine, time-consuming stuff in sales. The real question for you is, with all that time and mental energy back in your pocket, how are you going to elevate the truly remarkable parts of your job? The strategy, the empathy, that authentic human connection. That's where you'll really shine. Thanks for tuning in.